Today I wanted to talk about buying products and how amazing it is when you buy a product that's versatile, meaning that you can use it a bunch of different ways. A product that's super versatile is coconut oil. You can use it in cooking, sure, but you can also use it as a body moisturizer, bath oil, cuticle softener, makeup remover. Products like that are better economically, and you just about always use it up before it goes bad. I wanted to talk about a super versatile product, and that is the herb Yerba Mate. Hi there. My name is Anna, and today I want to share with you how Yerba Mate is one of those versatile products. If you like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, and don't forget to click to subscribe. And in the comment section below, I'd love to hear your ideas on how you use Yerba Mate or a favorite product of yours that's super versatile. I believe that Yerba Mate is one of those products that you just have to try. It's something that is super versatile. It's a ton of bang for your buck. If you're feeling bloated or tired, Yerba Mate will certainly come to the rescue. I've used it with a bunch of clients that I put on different detoxes, either as a supplement or as a drink. But today I want to share with you a few different ways that I use Yerba Mate that you might not have thought about. One great way is to make a yerba concentrate that you use in other drinks throughout the day. The way I make a Yerba Mate concentrate is I usually do 1 heaping tablespoon of loose leaf Yerba Mate, which is super economical, to a cup of hot water. I'll usually make that in a Pyrex measuring cup, but please feel free to use whatever glass you can that won't crack. And it's super easy. I'll heat the water, pour it over the loose leaf yerba, let it steep about 2 to 4 minutes, and then strain the tea out. That tea that's left, that liquid, will be super concentrated. And that I'll stick in a mason jar, and it'll keep in my refrigerator about 2 to 3 days. I'll put an ounce or 2 of that yerba concentrate in my smoothie. Throughout the day, I can throw a shot of the Yerba Mate concentrate in my water, in my iced tea, or lemonade. It's also great at the end of the day to splash on my face or put on a cool washcloth to restore the pH balance of my skin. Number 2, make Yerba Mate in a coffee press. This is something that I do especially when I have a bunch of people over. It's a really fast and easy way to make Yerba Mate for more than one person at a time. I'll usually make up a pitcher of this before people come over. So here again, it's about a tablespoon or a heaping tablespoon of loose leaf Yerba Mate in the coffee press per cup of hot water. And here too, I'll let it steep about 2 to 4 minutes, and I'll press it out. Then I'll pour the infusion into a pitcher and stick it in the refrigerator. When people come, all that I need to do is fill the glasses with ice and then pour yerba on top. I can always stick a rind of orange or a little bit of fruit on top if I want to be super fancy. I just want to note here that sure, you can do all of this with tea bags, but the loose leaf makes it super economical. And I don't know if you know this or not, but I do have a Yerba Mate company where I do make my own blends. The company name is SoulMate Yerba, and you can find us at www.soulmateyerba.com. So you don't have to buy my brand. You can go to the store and buy any brand of Yerba Mate you see. Just want to let you know that I have my blend too. And the last tip I wanted to share with you was how to get rid of the bloat underneath your eyes. You know, when you wake up and you're super puffy right here, right under the eyes? Well, the yerba is really helpful with that. what you do is fill a little bowl with some water and ice. Make sure that there's enough water in there to cover 2 tea bags. So in that little bowl, you're gonna dunk 2 little tea bags. You wanna make sure that the tea bags get super moist and super cool. And then all that you need to do is wring out any extra tea, and then you just place them over your eyes and lay horizontal for about 10 minutes. You will be amazed at how much that bloat goes down. So there are my 3 tips on an incredibly versatile product. That's Yerba Mate. I sure do hope that you liked this video and that some of these hints were helpful for you. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the section below, and do me a favor, give me a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to click to subscribe. Until next time, mwah, ciao.